What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the LG G7 Thinq for gaming. So you can pick this phone up for $235 unlocked, or you can get it for around $180 locked to T-Mobile, which is a really good price. So this guy has a Snapdragon 845 processor, and it has a really high resolution display for $200. It has a 1440 by 3120 display, and it has a crazy pixel density of 564. So it's extremely high, very sharp. It's got a very sharp display. One of the things I really love. So let's go ahead and check out some gaming on this guy. So we're starting off with PUBG, and as you can see, the graphics are on high, which is very nice. So we get to play PUBG on high. So we can go ahead and select HDR as well, and as you can see, we're on high. We can even go up to ultra. And so far, no lag. Well, a little bit of stutter, but so far no lag, as you can see. Very impressive. So as you guys can see, the graphics look really good, and again, we're on I believe ultra. No lag or frame drops really. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yeah, that was tough. And I didn't kill him. Come on. Oh, got him. Got him. Just a little patience there. The shotguns. It's tough. The aiming on here, on this game, is so tough. These touch controls. Oh, snap. I didn't see him. I'm... Oh! I'm out of ammo, too. Next game is Fortnite. I'm not a huge Fortnite fan, so I don't really play this one, but it does support it on the LG G7, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so we're in and try to check out the graphics. So we're on epic quality, 30 frames maxed out. And it's playing very smooth, looks really nice. So this is really going to be your best this is really going to be your best option for gaming if you're on an extreme budget. You get to play the Fortnite, PUBG on pretty much high. And if you get the Poco Phone F1, that phone is around like $300. You can find this, like I said, $235, and even cheaper if you get it locked to a carrier. So as you can see, very smooth. I'm not lagging at all. This even performs better at gaming than the Mi 9T, which is very impressive. So Fortnite is very hard to play for me, especially on the phone. But like I am getting like, it's a little jerky, but it's not like often, as you can see. I will get little like stutters here and there. As you can see, this is as best as it's gonna get, and even if it does for some reason get jerky, you can always turn it down. But as you can see, no issues whatsoever with lag. Very, very good. Very beautiful game. Looks really good, guys. Like I said, some little jerks, but the phone is not getting hot, and that's really awesome. But like I said, this is going to be one of your best options. So we got Asphalt 9, and it's running well as you would expect it, and it looks really great on high graphics. Just looks awesome on this display. So this is the first time that I've played anything in high graphics. I usually stick with budget phones, but this is very impressive. It does make a big difference in just the overall experience, just seeing everything in sort of like this high def, more detail. It does make a difference. So there you have it. So this phone is a straight up monster when it comes to gaming for 236. It's absolutely a beast. Anybody trying to do some high graphics, gaming on here, this is going to be the phone to get for the cheapest. And it's just a really good smartphone as well. Check out my unboxing video of it if you want to know more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.